In this video, you'll learn how to make your MetaHuman's eyes blink, track the camera, and follow moving objects using the Runtime MetaHuman Lip Sync plugin. For this tutorial, I'm using Unreal Engine 5.8, the latest version available at the time of recording. However, you can follow along with any Unreal Engine version starting from 5.0, since that's the minimum version supported by the plugin. The detailed documentation is linked in the description. Before we begin, make sure the Runtime MetaHuman Lip Sync plugin is enabled in your project. Let's start with blinking. Open the face animation blueprint of your MetaHuman character. In the event graph, we'll create the logic for the update animation event. Add the Update MetaHuman Auto Blink function. Connect the delta time pin and turn on the enabled option. Then make a MetaHuman blink config structure to customize the blinking behavior. Here you can tweak things like blink timing, interpolation speed, and other parameters. Next, create left blink and right blink variables by selecting Promote to Variable. Connect everything as shown. Now switch to the Anim Graph. Create a control rig node. In the Details panel, set the control rig reference to the Face Control Board control rig asset from the list. Then, under the Input section, enable Use Pin for the left and right eye blink curves. Connect the variables you created earlier to these pins. Let's see how it works. Now let's add camera tracking. Go to the Anim Graph and create the Eyes Aim function node. Create the target world location variable by selecting Promote to Variable. Then switch back to the event graph. Create the Get Player Camera Manager node and plug it into an IsValid check. Then, add the Get Camera Location node and use it to set the target world location variable you created earlier. Finally, connect the IsValid branch to drive this logic, as shown. Let's see how it works. If this setup doesn't work correctly, you're most likely using a MetaHuman with the legacy rig. In that case, you can still animate the eyes by driving the bones directly instead of using curves. Open the character's skeletal mesh asset. In the Details panel, locate Post-Process Anim Blueprint and move all the logic you created earlier into it. Select the Eyes Aim function node. In the Details panel, set Aim Mode to Bones. If you run into any issues or have questions, feel free to reach out on Discord or by email. Both links are in the description. Thank you for watching and enjoy working with Georgie Dev plugins.